Hi, I'm Terry from Heron Instruments. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use this Heron Series 1300 Skinny Dipper water level meter. The Skinny Dipper has the thinnest tape and probe in our product family. This unit is a premium water level meter designed for hydrogeologists and well drillers that need to measure water levels in narrow openings and piezometers. The slimline white polyethylene tape and the 1/4 inch probe enables users to take readings while the pump and other obstructions are still in the well, whereas wider tapes may get tangled. Let's go over the features, advantages, and how to properly use the Skinny Dipper. To protect the Skinny Dipper and for ease of transport in the field, the unit comes packed in a free backpack carry case. Not only will it hold your water level meter, but there are pockets for your laptop and notepads. Now we'll go over the different features of the Skinny Dipper water level meter. The powder-coated steel frame with the vinyl holding grip is strong and sturdy and easy to hold. The nylon fiber composite plates are installed on a center hub with stainless ball bearings. This allows for smooth movement while reeling the tape up and down the well. Between the two plates you will find the 1/4 inch white polyethylene tape. This tape was designed to be easier to read compared to black coaxial cable and other units. The slightly rounded, almost egg-shaped profile helps eliminate sticking to the side of the well casing. The tape comes in either metric or imperial markings. The imperial markings are an engineering scale. The tape is manufactured directly into the probe body, providing that slim profile from the tip of the probe up the tape. The built-in hanger and tape guide is an ideal solution for hanging your unit on the side of the well and for protecting your tape from the sharp well casing edge. On the back of the frame, you will find the brake knob. Loosen the brake when you are lowering the tape down the well. At any time you need to stop the tape, simply tighten the brake. You will also find the testing post. Before you go out in the field, we suggest testing the unit to make sure everything is working properly, including the battery power level. Hold the last weight on the probe to the center shaft and the body to the screw at the same time. This will complete the circuit, sending the signal from the probe up the tape to the electronic panel. The buzzer will sound and the LED lights will turn on. We suggest you always carry an extra 9-volt battery in your backpack just in case. The electronic panel is modular and removable in case it needs to be replaced. The circuitry on the back of the panel is encapsulated to protect it from water and the elements. The 9-volt battery is easy to change by simply sliding out the battery drawer. There is an audio and a visual signal when the probe touches water. There is no on and off switch. The water is the switch and signaling will occur on its own. If there is any cascading water in the well, simply adjust the sensitivity dial until you get a clear, crisp, consistent signal when the probe touches water. The Skinny Dipper comes with a permanently affixed water level probe with beaded weights. This probe is used to detect static levels in narrow openings. When you lower the probe into the well, the unit will start to sound immediately on contact with water. Please note that you need to have both the first weight furthest from the probe as well as the start of the probe body in the water. This creates the contact. The probe is the start of the first foot or meter. The 0 point starts here. When you're in the field, hang the unit on the side of the casing. Then run the tape over the tape guide and not on the edge of the well casing. Lower the probe into the well, the unit will start to sound on contact with water, and the LED lights will turn on. The reading on the tape will provide you with a static water level. So this is how you use the Heron Skinny Dipper water level meter. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.